When a baby is in utero, oftentimes it will be in different positions inside you. And sometimes it can be head down, sometimes it can be legs down. Well, if it's legs down, which oftentimes isn't technically normal, that means that your baby is breech. That can be an issue because if your baby is breech and you try to attempt a vaginal delivery, sometimes the baby can get stuck, which can lead to oxygen deprivation, oxygen loss, and then eventually can lead to a possible birth injuries. There are certain things your doctor can do to assess where your baby's position is. One of them, they can use an ultrasound. Another thing they can do is called a Leopold maneuver, which is where they physically put their hands on you to kind of assess where the baby's at, their positioning, whether they're head up or head down, and they can decide what the next course of action can be. When you have a breech baby, sometimes they will do a maneuver to try to flip the baby. That is something that is kind of controversial because one, it is a tad uncomfortable, and also two, oftentimes the baby can flip back even after they do flip them to being head down. That is something that you are going to want to discuss with your doctor to determine if you want to do that or not. I know also a lot of hospitals have different policies on whether or not they'll even allow you to attempt a vaginal delivery if your baby's in a breech position. Sometimes it's just an automatic C-section, which is a good decision because it is the healthiest option for your baby in that type of situation.